kitchen making one of my favorite vegan meals. It's super quick. I'm making pasta with peppers, onions, and apple sage field roast sausage. It's so delicious and really easy. Tonight I'm using rigatoni pasta, but this is also really great with bow tie pasta as well. And tonight I am using green and orange bell pepper and some red onions. It's just some veggies I had on hand, but you can use whatever you want. And I added a little bit of olive oil and cranked the heat up to medium-high, and I'm just going to saute that for 5 to 6 minutes. Add a little bit of garlic powder and freshly ground cracked pepper. And in a separate saucepan, add your sausages and cook on medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're nice and browned. These apple sage sausages are so good. They're lightly sweet, so they pair perfectly with the salty tomato sauce and the veggies and the cooked pasta. Oh yes, this dinner is really quick, takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and it's so yummy and full of flavor and full of plant protein. So I hope you try it. Enjoy this recipe, and you can find more recipes on my blog at jennywilliamsblog.com. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!